Hey, welcome to the Investment Process channel. This is C3, where we teach how to create generational wealth through trading while minimizing risk. Let's get started. So this week we're trading British pound yen. Let's take a look and see where the price action is this week. So let's take a look at the monthly. Um, right now it's showing bullish for the month. It's had its pullback. We had a pullback the previous month, and if we take a look back here to the left a little bit, it still is trading within this range, and it just hasn't been really moving. Been getting like a lot of sideways movement the past few months. So, but it has been testing this higher high. You see it did it a couple of times here, uh, back in February, looks like, and 3 months ago it challenged that high again. So we're not exactly too sure what it's doing right now, but again, we had a bearish month last month, and it's looking a little bullish this month. So it may retest this high of 172.94. Let's drill down on the weekly. So on the weekly, you can see the price actually just been pretty much moving between those two. We had a what is it? 3, 4, 6, 9, about 12 weeks ago. So about 3 months ago, we had a big dip, nice little pullback, and then it popped back up. So again, over here is consolidating. It may dip before it pulls back up. But we really don't know. We'll have to take a look and see if there's any other imbalances. It looked like there was a little imbalance, like I said, about 12 months ago. 12 weeks ago. And it looks like it cleared it all up, though. Let's go to the daily. Let me scoop this up a little bit. So daily here. So it looks like it's been it's been creating lower highs and higher lows. So it's been consolidating, getting smaller and smaller. So at some point it's going to make some kind of move either up or down. Um, but if we take a look, probably would be interested in it breaking structure here or here before I would even look at anything. But for the most part, yeah, I would. It's been trading daily between there. Looks like there's a little imbalance right here. So you can see it's just been bouncy, 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 bouncy. So what has this been, about 2 or 3 weeks? It's just been bouncing between these two. So let's see during this imbalance right here what that looks like on a 4 hour. I mean, boom, a little square here. See if we can get a better picture. Yeah. So that's cleared up. So if it does move back down, it'll just be moving. We'll see what the market is doing. If the buyers are in control or if the sellers are in control. Right now, it's trying to make up its mind. Again, we got the rubber band man happening right here. So it's just stretching and pulling, stretching and pulling. Let me delete this box right here. Okay, on a 4 hour level, just be honest with you. Right now, it looks like a waiting game. There are enough pips in between here if you want to trade, but I am just a little bit more. My mindset's a little different. Whereas I myself, when I see price action like this, I just kind of like want to sit still for a minute and try to figure out, what it's doing. And with this, again, by it, kind of consolidating, you see here the um, momentum. It's just been fluctuating, especially on a 4 hour, back and forth, back and forth. Let's look at the daily. See, kind of consolidated back there. And actually, right now, it's showing bullish. So even with that, I need a major move on this 4 hour time frame for it to even look like it's something I want to get into. So if I take these here, yeah, take these here and like pull it here. That's where it's been last week. Honestly, I would be looking for it to be like way outside of here. I would look for price action to move between these 2 points, 164, 52, or was this about 167? I'm not sure. Put a line here. 167, 66. Yeah, I would wait for it to move outside of that. Again, there are opportunities here. However, by just moving between these two, there's about 300 pips in between here. But right now, looking at this, you may catch 100, 150 moving between these two lines, waiting for confirmation. Either waiting for it to bounce off of here and come back down. Then you see, you get confirmation break instruction is coming back down, or vice versa, it would bounce off the bottom. But again, you know, playing with the market the way it is right now, I don't know. I would definitely wait for. I would definitely wait for it to break all the way up here. That way, let's look up. Yep, there it is. So that way, if you gotta get in, you wait for the breaker structure above here. Then it'll be a nice little pullback. Then it would probably take off, right? It'll take off. Now you're looking at how many pips are these? Looking at about 400 pips, for assurance, right? Because that's your monthly, and there'll probably be plenty of trading opportunities between there. But right now, because the market doesn't know if the buyers or the sellers are in control, I would just probably sit and wait patiently for a little confirmation. Yeah, 168.85 would be my look for it to break structure there, and then probably down here 163.70, 700. Yeah, 163.700. I look for it to break structure, either there, get a 4 hour close above or below that to confirm whether or not where the market is moving. Again, a lot of sideways action, a lot of rubber band bouncing going on here. So just get on your exercise ball and work out. Just set some alerts up. You should be okay for the week. So again, this is C3. If you like this content, please throw a thumbs up. It costs you nothing. And if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. Talk to you soon. Later.